Hello kids, today we are learning tables 17 to 20. 17 ones are 17, 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34, 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51, 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68, 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85, 17 fives are 85. 17 six are 102, 17 six are 102. 17 sevens are 119, 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136, 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153, 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 170, 17 tens are 170. 18 ones are 18, 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36, 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54, 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72, 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90, 18 fives are 90. 18 6 are 108, 18 6 are 108. 18 sevens are 126, 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144, 18 8 are 144. 18 nines are 162, 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180, 18 tens are 180. 19 ones are 19, 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38, 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57, 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76, 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95, 19 fives are 95. 19 6 are 114, 19 6 are 114. 19 sevens are 133, 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152, 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171, 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190, 19 tens are 190. 20 ones are 20, 20 ones are 20. 20 twos are 40, 20 twos are 40. 20 threes are 60, 20 threes are 60. 20 fours are 80, 20 fours are 80. 25s are 100, 25s are 100. 26 are 120, 26 are 120. 27s are 140, 27s are 140. 28s are 160, 28s are 160. 29s are 180, 29s are 180. 20 tens are 200, 20 tens are 200.